Guys, what is up? What is good? Welcome back to Cryptocurrency Theory, guys. We're going to be dropping some videos that are not edited at all, guys. So if the wind is there, if the channel EQs, the sound isn't there, my computer is now at this point, it's not operable. I can't do live streams. I can't upload videos. I'm trying to fix the issue. So I'll, as quick as I can get it done. I've been working on it yesterday evening and today. Come here. So, we'll try to get back on as soon as we can. Crypto prices are doing fairly well today. And I have some couple videos I wanted to release that I just can't upload that are going to be talking about price doubling. So here's where we're at with these crypto prices, guys, especially altcoins. We're more likely going to see a price doubling here in the short term. I mean, like within the next week, month, a couple months. We're not putting a timeline on it because then you guys get butthurt when the coins don't perform like we're saying they will in a short amount of time. Let's just say if and when it happens. Now, we could also go down in price, guys. Some people are talking about a 30-40% crash. I'm not seeing that, guys. I'm not seeing Bitcoin cash to 200. I'm not seeing Dash to $10. I'm not seeing these prices that people are talking about, because they don't make sense. They're just simply not going to happen. What we're going to see, guys, is likely a price doubling here in the near term on a lot of coins. And what this is going to do is this is going to trigger a lot of people that have been impatient about these coins, not going up. Those people are actually going to sell, guys. And that is actually going to be one of the key driving forces that causes the price doubling. Because there's a lot of people sitting on the sidelines with altcoins that are a little bummed out that their coins haven't been performing up to BTC standards. They're starting to, that regret starting to sit in, that thought of regret is starting to creep into their mind, and they're getting more and more anxious to sell these coins, not only because they need it, but they want to diversify for whatever reason into better assets that they think are going to do better than crypto, which I think is probably the biggest mistake. I think crypto actually will be one of the better performing assets over the next course of time, like the next timeline of what was a good investment looking back. It's going to be right now. It's going to be the cryptocurrencies. It's going to be the altcoins. That's what it's going to be. And I think if people are sitting around waiting on half price altcoins, not going to happen. It's simply not going to happen. And, I don't know that there are a ton of people sitting around waiting for this. I'm just saying, theoretically, if you guys are waiting on half price altcoins, I don't see it happening. I mean, again, I can't 100% guarantee that's the case, but I would more bet on price doubling than half prices, okay? And I'll just say that. I think there's more of a chance that the prices are to double than they are to drop in half. And a lot of people have been kind of talking about, I have ground soldiers out here, guys, obviously. Obviously I know people out here. I got people opening their ears. I actually got people that are specifically looking into these altcoin communities based on, what their friends are saying, and then giving me that information. And that's how I'm deriving this argument, guys. A lot of people are getting impatient about these altcoins not performing, but the prices aren't going to move on them being impatient. The prices are going to move when they surge, and then those people dump, and then the price doubles, and then it doubles again from there. And that's what we're going to likely see on the majority of the altcoin market, I think. That's my personal thing I got going right now, is this altcoin doubling. I guess that's what we're going to call it. And I released a video yesterday, 2 days ago, about Litecoin doubling. I had some more on Stellar Lumens, Ethereum Classic. I mean, do you guys really see Ethereum Classic going down to 15 bucks? I mean, don't you more or less see it going to 60, and the people that are breaking even selling? That's what I see, because a lot of these people, guys, they are they're wanting out of crypto for whatever reason. And this is kind of what we see. We see these people holding these altcoins, and they get bummed out that their coins aren't, thousands of percents up, while other markets have gone, way up, like Solana and BTC and, some of the Bitcoin Cash, some of these other markets. But again, guys, them selling, okay? I want you to understand, them selling is what triggers the surge, okay? Because we have people coming in already based on the coins going up, and then we have a lot of people unloading coins that they've been holding for a long time. And don't you think the exchanges are going to take advantage of this? Have you noticed every time you sell your altcoin, it goes up? Have you noticed that, guys? Every time you bring it from a wallet to an exchange, it goes up like 9 times out of 10. And again, this doesn't always apply, but for the majority of the time, it always applies. So if we take this same formula, we run it against the altcoin markets, we'll see that there are a lot of people that are waiting to sell, guys. And again, these are the same people that are gonna buy XRP at $2, are gonna buy Stellar Lumens at 70 cents right after they sell, because what's gonna happen is when they sell, that price doubling is gonna accelerate, and then it's gonna double again, okay? And really, when it doubles again, the same people are now up 300-400% that didn't sell, but the people that just got in are only up 100%. You see what I'm saying? So that's what I think is going to happen, guys, especially if BTC and Ethereum markets creep up back to just where they were, because that's what we saw in January, February, March, and now April, is we saw the volatility and the creep up of BTC, and we saw altcoins kind of more or less, some went up, some didn't, some pumped like Bitcoin Cash, some like NEO, and then some dropped, right? And that's what we're going to see. We're going to see this increased volatility on the altcoins as BTC charges up, as Ethereum charges up. And if we run sideways just back up to 70 or 80 K on BTC, I still expect to see an explosion in some variety of altcoins. And I think those people will sell. The closer they get in the green and the closer they get into the positive gains, the more of these people are going to sell, guys. So like I said, that's what I think is going to happen, guys. Again, we don't have a way to edit any of these videos. I don't know how they're going to turn out, so just expect some unedited videos for, you know, indefinitely until I can get my computer rolling. We're operating on a small budget of about $200 a month, guys, so if you want to send me some Bitcoin Cash, it does help out. We don't even have a mic yet. We don't have a mic. We don't have really anything. We got a computer, and the computer's down, so now we got a phone. So we will keep the channel open, obviously, guys, but until I can get that computer fixed, I don't see live streams happening until that's fixed. It might be today, it might be next week, it might be next month. I really don't have an exact date on it. It's all based on the way I do this channel, guys, is you know, I don't invest anything past what the channel's making. So that's why we don't have a mic. That's why we don't have some of these basic things. But, you know, I'm also the type person that's gonna, you know, make it happen no matter what. So you're gonna see these videos come out no matter what. And we're gonna discuss the topics, whether or not there's colorful stuff on your screen and exciting little skits and or live streams for you to interact. You know, maybe I'll go to Starbucks or something and hook up to the Wi-Fi up there and do a live stream from my phone, guys, because we're going to keep the channel going no matter what. That isn't predicated on whether or not my computer works or anything like that. Yesterday that was the case, but today it's not. So we'll have videos coming out, guys. Like I said, even if I got to upload them at Starbucks or, you know, upload them at you know, off my phone here or do a live stream on my phone, we'll be present in the crypto community, right? And we got the BTC having all these things happening right this second. So, you know, great time for my computer to go down. Guys, drop it in the comments. Let me know if you think price doubling is in the near future or half prices are in the near future. Curious to know your feedback. I think it's the second. So let's see what happens. We'll catch you guys soon. Take care.